Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Discord. By blocking someone on Discord, you'll be able to completely avoid them and their profiles in the platform of Discord. So to do that, open up Discord and then head over to the friends section, or you can tap on the direct messages and all of the friends list will pop up here. You can tap and hold on and a menu will open up. You'll need to head over to profile, and from profile you'll again need to tap on the three dots here, and there you'll see an option for block. Instead of blocking, you can also remove them from the friends list, but if you want to block them, you can simply tap on block, and the person or the user will be blocked from your Discord. Now in case you want to unblock them, you can simply open up their profile, and there on the bottom you'll see an option for unblock. If you tap on unblock, they will be unblocked from your Discord account again. So those were the easy steps to block someone on Discord.